Ladies and gentlemen, today we present to you revolutionizing vending machines, affordable, healthy snacks and drinks. Today we present an innovative concept to transform the vending machine industry. Our vision is to provide affordable snacks and drinks, including healthier options, while creating jobs and fostering economic growth. The vending machine industry is ripe for innovation. Consumers are seeking healthier options and lower prices. By addressing these demands, we can tap into a growing market and establish a unique position. Our vending machines offer a wide range of snacks and drinks. We prioritize healthier options to promote better eating habits. Traditional favorites will also be available to cater to different tastes. We believe affordability is key. The pricing model ensures that snacks and drinks are more affordable than ever before. For instance, a bottle of water may cost as low as 25 cents, depending on the brand. To provide customers with fresh products, our workers go directly to storehouses to purchase inventory. Real-time restocking ensures that vending machines are always well stocked. This approach creates job opportunities and contributes to economic growth. We believe in collaboration for mutual benefit. Partnering with convenience stores allows us to place our vending machines in their locations. In return, convenience stores receive a 50% profit share from participating vending machines. Affordable pricing makes snacks and drinks accessible to all. Healthier options promote better eating habits and overall well-being. Convenient locations ensure easy access to vending machines. Convenience stores benefit from increased foot traffic and additional revenue streams. Our profit-sharing model creates a win-win situation. The alliance between our vending machines and convenience stores promotes business growth and customer satisfaction. Regulatory compliance, adhering to food safety and labeling regulations, supply chain management, ensuring efficient restocking and logistics, location selection, identifying high traffic areas for optimal placement. Our vending machines represent an exciting opportunity to revolutionize the industry. Affordable, healthy snacks and drinks, along with job creation, contribute to economic growth. Partnering with convenience stores builds a peaceful alliance for the benefit of consumers and our collective progress. Thank you for your attention and support. Together, let's make affordable, healthier snacks and drinks a reality. May our journey bring us success and blessings. Thank you.